I was running through the six with my woes. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go. Running through the six.
I love presents. Hi YouTube! Christmas is here. I'm Lil Hypey and you're watching
Magnum.
No. Pair of Sneakerheads. Yeah. And Santa came and he bought a lot of presents for us because we were so nice this year. So there are presents here. Ah!
Let's unbox them.
I love presents. My favorite thing to do, unpack presents. So first one, no, for Magnum with love. Awesome, huh?
Sounds like a James Bond movie. Tonight it's Christmas Eve. We wanna upload this before
Christmas.
so you can watch it when you have Christmas.
Watch shit.
And what is it? I haven't seen it. You've seen it before me. What is it?
Oh!
It is Darth Maul, because I'm a huge Star Wars fan.
Oh.
Also a huge Darth Maul fan. I had the poster in my room when I was a kid. Awesome. Thanks, Santa.
Oh, so cute.
She really did her best. Me too, but she's better at it than me.
Yep. Finally! Finally! I'm better. I always say I'm better with wrapping stuff up, but he says no. I'm better.
I don't have the patience. That's what I wanted to say. It is
Ta-da!
Intimately Beckham. She gave this about 9-10 years ago.
10
when
years
we were first
ago.
together. And I recently said it's one of my favorite scents, so she bought it for me. Thanks again, Santa.
Yeah.
Next one, this one.
Oh, that's the most beautiful one. No, okay, second most beautiful one I packed. And
With the label.
Magnum.
Magnum. It is built on brick mug. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look, guys, an NMD mug.
But
Adidas NMD mug with Legos.
yeah, well, you'll see later. Okay.
I'll see you later. I'm getting spoiled, you guys. I must have been good this year. Star Wars Legos.
Yeah.
It's
and
a TIE Fighter with a TIE Fighter pilot.
yeah. And
oh, it goes with the mug.
duh! Yeah, so you have to build it on your mug.
I'm gonna build it and connect it with my mug.
Yeah.
Let me start off with this one. This is how I pack. It's no box, so it has no final shape.
Yeah.
I made a little bow tie on it.
What up, KG?
Isn't that cute?
Yeah.
I did my best.
Whatever. So, and now we're gonna
Unwrap it.
oh, there's stuff in it.
3 in 1.
Cool. Okay, Jawbreakers, my favorite. Yum yum.
Spicy chewing gum.
Oh, and in-ear headphones. And with a basketball on it. Cool.
Cover your face. Do the
Cover
dab.
your face.
Or else we'll focus on our faces.
That's awesome. Dope. Oh, cool. Dope. Okay.
It's a little treat.
Yeah, because I like.
I'll tell him.
Oh.
Yeah, I tell him. Everything is good. Everything is great.
Ah, Santa likes to.
Keep the tags.
Yeah. Keep the
She
tags
has to
on
know
it.
it's new, right? So
Cool.
it needs to be dead stock.
Purpose Tour sweater or hoodie. Fucking hell, that's awesome.
I bought it before. She already wanted to buy it, but then her size was sold out. So.
World Tour Purpose. That's awesome. Now you're gonna get this one.
I wonder what it is. Let's start again. Rip it. Take too long. It's
That's the second one.
double pack.
Awesome.
And it is
Star Wars.
Kanan Jarrus.
Kanan.
Star Wars Disney Infinity 3.0.
Dope.
Thanks. Small. I wonder what it is. It's Santa Claus and his balls.
Well, yeah.
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Love me some chocolate.
I'll give you one and I give myself one.
Magnum.
And they'll hype it. Their Christmas lottery ticket calendar,
Whoa,
whatever.
that's a lot, man.
Yeah, so we can open the first till what's today? Oh, 24th. Yay!
So maybe next time you're gonna see a whole different video.
Yeah, millionaires.
Maybe. Next one. Okay, it's not super, but I did my best. It's kind of nice, isn't it?
Okay, whatever. Give
Yours.
it to me because I'm gonna rip it apart. Oh, another one. Woo!
Another two.
Awesome. Cool. Oh yeah, and that's
Show.
all
Show the back.
access.
Show the back. Show the back.
Purpose Store.
Yeah.
All access on the sleeves and Steph on the front. So I'm
Yep.
Steph now. I can go.
Bieber Steph.
Yeah, I can go into the
We're
back
not that
and,
big Bieber fans. We just like the merchandise.
yeah, the merch is awesome.
We just like merch clothing, like t-shirts, hoodies, and
Whatever, I like
snapbacks and
everything, and it
as long
goes
as it looks cool.
well with my Yeezys.
So it's not that we're like
Cool, huh?
super Justin Bieber fans.
Look at the color. Sick. Okay, well. Ho ho ho! Purpose Store t-shirt. Mama don't like it.
Had to complete the collection, right? So
My mama don't like you. Awesome.
we just like the font and the colors. And
Yeah.
looks really nice.
Wow. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh. I love the wrapping paper with the little French. Presents, presents, presents. I love presents.
It has a letter, so before you
Oh,
check it out, first read the letter. The letter is inside the box. Dear baby, because you don't always have the occasion to wear your nice sneakers, you get this pair of beaters. So even when you're wearing your shittiest shoes, you still have a pair of nice sneakers.
okay.
Already cleaned them twice, so she can wear these when it's shitty weather,
Beers.
snowy or muddy or whatever.
Well, they smell really clean.
Do that?
Yeah.
Okay, I really did my best, so they're like, you can lick them. That's how clean they are.
No, thank you.
I did about 2 hours on these. Yeah, I need some new insoles,
Okay, nice.
but they're really clean. So
Okay, thank you.
beaters,
Thank you. Thank you.
Spizike Oreos. And they're still pretty good condition. Before I cleaned them, they look like shit, but
Yeah?
if you knew what I spent on these, this is the best deal I ever did. This is ridiculously.
Oh, okay.
Even better than her steals.
Oh. Okay, that's cool.
It's like the cheapest Jordans I ever bought in my whole life, and
Thank
I
you.
won't ever buy any cheaper. That's how cheap.
Okay.
Look away. Like that cheap.
Oh, really? I didn't see anything. But here's one present for you.
What? I see these colors, and these colors, I'm not gonna check out what it is yet, but these colors mean a lot to me. This is like, I get tears in my eyes. This has special meaning. I see the buttons. These are real tears coming in. Starter. That's the best present I ever got.
Really?
This is like my childhood wrapped into a paper. Mighty Ducks starter shirt. This is the best anyone ever got me.
Cool.
Yeah. It's amazing. Thanks, Santa.
Oh.
Now I hope my presents can beat yours, but I think it's gonna be harder than I thought it would be. I'm really emotional right now. This is like
really?
the best gift I ever got.
Oh.
Because I used to rock Mighty Ducks all the time when I was about 12 years old. Huh?
The second one.
Another one.
Another
Intimately
one.
Beckham. I really love this scent.
Yeah, because you were asking
got twice.
about it, and they don't sell it anymore in the normal perfume stores.
It's your turn again. If I'm correct, keep the best for last, of course.
Okay.
Oh, it's already. That's what she said. She's better. Wrapping paper already open. Maybe she took a peek.
Oh, I didn't peek.
Just joking.
I can't wait, but he doesn't. Oh.
Show them.
I see a Jordan box.
Show them.
Oh, another leather.
Show them. Yeah, the top of the box. Jumpman, Jumpman, Jumpman.
Yeah. And okay.
Don't expect too much. Just what I'm gonna say.
Oh.
Let me translate the letter. Dear baby, because you love Jordan 3s, here's a pair to restore or customize. They're already clean. Cleaned them twice. Dried them.
Oh, with the receipt.
Original receipt. Let's say Foot Locker.
OG. Okay.
They're super extremely clean.
Dope. And they're metallic gray.
Wolf gray.
Wolf grays. Whatever.
First, I wanted to customize them, but I didn't have the
yeah.
opportunity to do it in surprise. I wanted to do it at work,
Ooh,
but
the sole is like
I didn't have any time. Yeah, the sole is
pearly.
translucent pearly.
Yeah. Cool.
So I was thinking like maybe we can do another video, a custom or
video.
restoration.
Restoration video.
I wanted to turn them into Space Jams.
No.
But yeah, that's what I thought. So I was like, you can make up your own mind.
Yeah.
But these are still in great condition.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Big ass box. It's even bigger in person than it looks on camera.
Look at the bow.
It's bigger.
Way around. Oh, awesome.
It's huge.
I love the wrapping. I did it myself. I hope you're gonna like them.
For the Dutch people,
Kruidnoten.
it's candy.
This is a shoe he always wanted, but never bought.
Huh? What? Huh?
Ah!
LeBron? Looks like a king, baby. A crown. LJ. LeBron James. Oh shit.
Ah, yo. Aww.
Already wanted some South beaches for a long time. Damn.
They're new.
I finally got them. I wanted these for such a long time. These were highly on top of my list after my mags. I wanted these and the Dornbecker 3s. So one more to go. They came out bad. One more to go. Awesome.
They're dead stock, so.
I can tell. Love the color. It has palm trees. I don't know if you can see palm trees. The lace lock is really cool. That's another tier.
I always listen, you know.
I don't think I'm gonna top this.
And the best for last, I think.
My best for last.
Yeah.
I hope you like it. Well, I already know you like it, but I don't know how much you like it. So, hey,
okay.
Let me show you guys the wrapping paper. One of our favorite Christmas movies.
Oh my God, Santa! Santa's coming!
I know him. Elf, if you don't know.
Alright, here we go.
Let me just say, 100. The box is not that impressive, but it's inside that counts.
No, the box is
Not impressive.
impressive.
Let me just say, Hype Beast. Her name isn't Lil Hype for nothing. So, I had to get her some Yeezys.
My God.
She's crazy for Yeezys. Already plugged her with this and these and the 950s.
Yeah, dope. So these are
Some more Yeezys.
the tubular shadow knits.
In the colorway she liked the most. I made sure.
Ah, that's why you were asking
Yeah.
the whole time. Okay, nice. Tubular shadow knits. So, aka the poor man Yeezy. And in the moon rock colorway.
You feel even better about them when I saw Kai's video. He compared them to the original Yeezys, and only after like a whole day of wear testing it showed a little different. So these
Well,
are
that's awesome.
as good as I even tried them on myself. They're really comfortable and they're only $100, so you can't go wrong with these.
Yeah, and they go well with my merch. See the colorways? Dope.
See the colorways?
I know.
It's like the same damn shoe. You can do a black stripe in it. So you have like a negative version of these.
Maybe we can do that. Maybe a custom video.
So if you like this video, the content and the awesomeness we showed, please give us a thumbs up or a subscription for Christmas.
Now that's better, you know?
We would really appreciate it, and we hope you like this video and enjoyed it, and we hope you guys have an awesome Christmas.
Yeah.
And I wish you all the best, and you're gonna see us before the end of the year.
Yeah.
I wanted to say Happy New Year's, but
we have
you'll see
something
us.
cool planned for the end of this year, so stay tuned. Watch
tuned,
our videos,
subscribe,
like, and spread the word about us.
our channel,
Yeah.
because we can do better.
Yeah.
With my woes.